and I'm gonna do a little tutorial how to put those. Okay, so I have the body, alright? So what you're gonna do with the body, it's pretty easy. You go to the position you want, and you don't just drop it like, I want it to look that way, I drop it. No, you need to look the other way, okay? So I want it to look at the base, so I go like this. And I drop it. You see, now it's aiming the right way. The gun, you don't need that. You just drop it on the ground. Oh no, just right click it.
It didn't do anything. Oh wait.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put it back at the right place. So I doubt we're gonna be fine. And now we go take the other parts. There's a now we take your backpack and the mag and everything. For that part, you're obligated to have a shovel. Okay? So I took the scope and the mag. For the scope, you drop it on the ground. On the side of everything. Okay? So you come over here. You drop the scope on the ground. I'm gonna wait for him. You take a shovel. For the scope, you just drop it on the ground with the other one, okay? And then you take a shovel and you scroll for the right one. It's the tripod width. It's gonna say assemble and SFV tripod plus SPP scope, okay? And then you just build it. There we are, and then we go open inventory and put the mag in. And that's how you build the turret. Thank you to have a look at that little tutorial. And I think the mortars build the same way. I didn't try it yet, but I'm pretty sure it does. He's burning, but yeah. Merlin, I think you're burning. Don't land over here.